far, I've learned a lot of things. I've learned how to make my own blog, how to set up a LinkedIn account. They highly recommended me to do LinkedIn. It's very, very useful. And I actually made research about it more. And it turns out that a lot of people use LinkedIn. And it's just, to be honest, ever since they talked about it and then told me to do it, I'll use it for the future in case I want to find a job. It looks really, really promising. Also, what we learned is there's some new things that I haven't heard about, such as the customer relationship. It's been 4 days, and 4 days felt like 4 years of learning. That's how much I learned. I know it might be an over-exaggeration, but that's how I'm feeling. It can be different for others. So I highly recommend this program. It's really great.
And this week we had a workshop and we learned a lot how to start our business, how to create questionnaires, how to do presentation. And thanks to our teachers, Professor Mani and Dr. Aida. Yeah, we learned a lot. Thank you.